In this episode of I Tried It, we are taking a look at a video that claims that you can make $2,300 per week for free with affiliate marketing for beginners. We're going to talk about the good, the bad, and the glaring weaknesses with this method. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn the problems, to learn the solutions, and maybe a better opportunity. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, we are going to take a look at a video by Smart Money Tactics where he says, use this bot to make $2,300 per week with affiliate marketing. We're going to break down the exact process that he uses so that I can save you time watching that video and the huge problems with this method or opportunity. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this video was uploaded October 12th, a few weeks ago. Basically what he says is you are going to go over to this website. It's an AI writing website called Writer. You get 10,000 words for free per month. You are going to use that to write articles. You're going to copy those articles into a Google Doc. You are going to grab your affiliate links from a website called ClickBank, and then you are going to put your affiliate links in the article that you have in Google Docs. You're going to download that into a PDF, and then you are going to upload it into this website called SlideShare, So that's basically what he is telling you to do. I did it. Okay, and if we take a look at this, I actually did it on Sunday. Today's Tuesday. You'll actually be able to look at the two articles. That's one thing that he doesn't show you, the actual articles that he used. But I'm actually going to show you the two articles to show you that I did it. First, let's take a look at the traffic that I have earned since Sunday. Now, one thing that I want you to be aware of is obviously it is still kind of early, but there are a lot of problems with this opportunity. So as you can see here, I uploaded two videos. I uploaded two PDFs. One's about the ultimate guide to landscaping, and the other one is on how to find your soulmate. Okay, as you can see, they have garnered a total of 4 views. It's only been a couple days, but let's talk about the good. The good is this is a simple process. Okay, you can come over to Writer. He walks you through how to use this AI writing tool, and you can do this in about a few hours. Okay. Not even a few hours. You could probably get all of this done. You could get 2 of these articles written or 2 of these PDFs created in about a half an hour. Okay, so that's good. You're not going to waste a bunch of your time doing this. The downside to using Writer is it's AI writing software. This video makes it seem like this AI writing software is infallible. It's going to be simple. In reality, especially with, and it's funny, if you look at these articles or PDFs, there's a lot of errors in them, okay? This original video makes it seem like the AI writing software is just going to write perfect articles for you. And that's absolutely not the case at all. With any AI writing software, you have to massage the content, okay? You have to read it, you have to analyze it, you have to make sure that it's good quality content, or else you're going to get a bunch of junk. You have to give it some direction, give it some guidance. Now, I've talked about AI writing software. My favorite one right now is Jasper.ai. That's one that I've used the most. And so that's what I prefer. If you look at the articles, and again, I'll provide a link to my Linkshare account so that you can see this. The articles aren't well written. I'm going to keep saying articles because that's basically what they are. They're not well written, okay? And I only got about 2.5 articles done before I ran out of my my allotted free usage. So if we look at the pricing here, hopefully the free plan generate 10,000 characters per month, not words, characters. That's important to know. I only got about 2.5 articles written, and each one of those articles is probably about 300 to 500 words. So it's not a long article, all right? The content is not very good, okay? These are just minor problems. We're going to get into the major problem with this method in just a moment. Grabbing your affiliate link from ClickBank, that's pretty standard for YouTube. People will tell you to go to ClickBank because it's most widely available. I think there are other better affiliate opportunities out there. If you don't know, ClickBank is an affiliate network where you can go find different affiliate offers. There's tons of different affiliate networks out there: Commission Junction, ShareASale, Impact Radius. These are all different affiliate networks. The other affiliate networks that I just mentioned, they primarily work with larger, more well-known companies. The companies over on ClickBank are smaller, more mom and pop. Some of them don't have as great credibility as the other ones that I've mentioned, but this is fine, I guess, to use. I would recommend that if you could find one that has a stronger brand name, I would go with that. So those are two of the minor problems. We're going to get into the major big issue in just a moment, but on a scale of 1 to 10 on how difficult this thing is, 0 being, a baby could do it, 10 would be like you need to be a Harvard grad, it's a 3. This isn't hard to do at all. It's not hard. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you could do this month after month. The problem is, and let's talk about it. The problem is when you come over to SlideShare and you upload your articles, we are heavily relying on people to click on your affiliate links, right? This is the whole purpose of doing this. Click on the affiliate link. For example, if I click on this one and I read the article or read the SlideShare, the problem with this method is that in order for your links to be active, they actually have to download the PDF or the article. Now, what are the chances of someone downloading the PDF or article if they can read the entire thing right in SlideShare? For example, I'm going to show you my articles. Get out of here. Let me show you my uploads here. So we're going to click on uploads. And if I click on this, you can see this is my article, The Complete Guide to the Soulmate Search and How to Find Your One True Love. These links aren't clickable. All right. So ask yourself, what are the odds of someone who can read this entire article clicking on these, downloading the actual article and clicking on it? Now, it would be completely different if the links were active, if they were hyperlinked right in here, because I could just go through and click right away. But I believe the conversion rate is going to be so terribly low. For example, download now. As you can see here, I've got 4 views, 0 likes. But if we click on download now, and then I open this as a PDF, now I can click on it. But the conversion rate, there's really no incentive for someone, in my opinion, there's no incentive for someone to actually download this because I can read the entire thing right here. This is just like a blog post, but without the drawbacks of actually having links that are clickable and active. So on a scale of 1 to 10, am I going to make money with this? I highly doubt it. Okay. I can upload 2 of these articles every month for free. I might do that just to show you. I might do another video later on. You can see my name right here. But in my opinion, this absolutely is going to not help you make money online, okay? If you do this enough times, if you go viral and you get thousands of views, you might get 1 or 2 people to actually download this to their computer, and then out of 1 or 2 people, you might have 1 person that actually clicks on your link. So the conversion rate of this is so incredibly low that it's going to be almost a waste of your time. Now, the reason why I'm doing this is to show people what's real and what's not. I don't want you to waste your time because, as I've mentioned many times, I have spent time, energy, and most importantly, money trying to find shortcuts, trying to find the quick solution. Okay. And this is one of those. Hey, this is a shortcut where you can make passive income. When in reality, that's not going to be the case with this. Okay. With this, you are going to create an article. Maybe you get some views here. I don't know if SlideShare has some sort of revenue sharing program where they'll pay you for people to view your content. If they do, that might be one incentive to keep going. But if you are just uploading articles here and you're relying on people to download that article and then click on your affiliate link, think about all the steps that are required to do that. And at every step, the conversion rate goes down significantly. Okay, so don't do this. Okay, if you are going to use this writing service in order to try and make money online, what I recommend that you do is a few things. One, you can use it to write blog posts. If you're going to blog, that's going to be a much better opportunity. The reason being is you own the blog, okay? And you can put your own affiliate links right in there. It's less steps for people to take. You're going to have higher conversions. You're actually going to own the blog. And the other thing that you want to be concerned about is the terms of service. Does SlideShare actually allow you to put these links in their content? Some people, some companies won't allow this. They will say that's a violation. You can get your account shut down. So one better way to use Writer is to use it to write blog posts. So another way to use it, a better way, would be outlines for YouTube videos and TikTok videos. That's a great way to go. So if you don't know anything about how to find a soulmate, go over to Google like this, and we can say something like how to find a soulmate like this. Okay, so we've got 7 steps to find your soulmate. You also would come down here to people also ask, and you can copy, how do I know who is my soulmate? You could copy that sentence right into Writer, and it's going to give you an outline. So you could do this multiple times, and then you just create content based on your outlines. Now you could upload that as a TikTok video, upload that as a YouTube Shorts, or if you want to do a 10-minute video, 8-minute video, that's going to be a much more productive way of using your time. That's going to be a much more profitable way of using your time and using this service. I'm okay with using ClickBank. There are tons of affiliate networks out there. There are tons of better ones out there, tons of better affiliate programs out there. You can use ClickBank. I don't have a problem with that. My problem is the glaring weakness of this method. Again, the method is you can't click on these links, okay? If you wrote this blog post, these links would be active. I recommend that you get started with, I'll put a link in the description to the best web hosting platform for beginners. It'll be the second link in the description. Even if you got started for free with Google Sites, that's even much more better than this opportunity, because you're just making SlideShare rich, or, helping them make money with all of these different ad revenues. And the chances of your conversions are extremely low. Now you have to remember, with affiliate marketing, your conversion rate is going to be between like 1 and 10% on a great day. If you did the math on that, you're literally looking at hundreds of thousands of views before you even make your first 10 sales. And that conversion rate is not something that I want to gamble with. So what I urge you to do next is watch. I actually put together a complete playlist of all of the different YouTube methods that I've tried. Watch that entire playlist. Comment down below if you have different videos that you want me to try. I'd be happy to take a look at them and give you feedback. Thanks for watching, and watch this video next, because YouTube says it's going to help you build your online business.